The age scale is one of two things that you can move and control in this version of the tool. The age scale is the gray bar that you can slide right and left. The age scale represents your working life for CPP purposes. Your CPP working life is formally called your contributory period. It is the period of time when you are required to make CPP contributions while employed. Your contributory period begins when you turn 18, and it ends when either of the following things happen. You start receiving your CPP retirement pension when you turn age 70 or when you die. Sliding the gray bar is how you set the age of the person you want to find Canada Pension Plan information for. To do this, simply line up the year of birth on the age scale with the appropriate year on the timeline. For example, if your year of birth is 1970, slide the age scale until the red year of birth line coincides with 1970, like this. Now you can use the reference tool to learn a whole bunch of information. Someone born in 1970 turned age 18 in 1988. The contribution rate for the base CPP was 2% in 1988. To see this, you'll have to go into the contribution rate table here. This person was 33 years old when the base CPP contribution rate became the current level of 4.95%. This person turned age 30 in the year 2000, 40 in 2010, and 50 in 2020. Someone born in 1970 was 49 years old in 2019 when the Enhanced CPP started. 2019 is when the first additional CPP started. Likewise, someone born in 1970 was 54 years old in 2024 when the second additional CPP started. The earliest someone born in 1970 can start CPP is 2030 when they turn age 60. If they start CPP at age 60, their basic CPP retirement pension will be reduced by 36% because of the age adjustment factors. This person can receive an unadjusted retirement pension in 2035 when they turn age 65. The latest someone born in 1970 can start CPP is 2040 when they turn age 70. If they start CPP at age 70, their basic CPP retirement pension amount will increase by 42% because of the age adjustment factors. If your year of birth was before 1966, you'll have to use the age 18 line to set up the age scale. For example, someone born in 1949 turned age 18 in 1967. In this case, the person turned age 70 in 2019 when the Enhanced CPP started. If this person started CPP at age 63, the following information from the reference tool would apply. Their general dropout amount would be 16% rather than the current amount of 17%. Their basic CPP retirement pension would be reduced by 0.52% for every month earlier than age 60, 65, rather than the current amount of 0.6% per month. That's it. That's the basic operation of the age scale.